Ready to land your dream job in the music industry? In this video, we're going to unveil how networking can be your ladder to success, helping you secure that coveted position. So tune in, and let's start building your musical career. Welcome to the Music Educator, where we share tips, advice, and stories to help you on your musical journey. I remember when I first started my journey, I was just like you, eager to learn and grow. Today, we are going to touch on the topic of music education networking. If you find our content helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Networking is all about making connections with people in the music world. It's like building a web of friends who share your passion for music. For instance, when I was just starting out, I had no experience in marching band instruction. But through networking, I was able to get my foot in the door and had the opportunity to work at high levels for various marching band programs. It's amazing how doors can open when you connect with the right people. So, remember, networking in music education-based programs is a key step in building a music network and achieving success as a music educator. Whether you're in high school or undergrad, you're already building your network. Every person you meet is a potential connection. I expanded my network by teaching private lessons and connecting with middle and high school directors in my district and around my college. You never know who might provide the opportunity you've been looking for. Reflecting on my time in college, I'm struck by the powerful lessons that hindsight affords. There's a wealth of guidance I wish I had been aware of as an undergraduate. Perhaps one of the most impactful is the true value of learning directly from the experts. It's not just about studying theories and abstract concepts. There is an unparalleled educational experience in witnessing professionals in action. The advice I'd impress upon current students is to never underestimate the benefit of observing seasoned educators in your field of interest. Approach them with genuine curiosity. Most are more approachable than you might think. Inquire if you can watch them work, or better yet, involve yourself in their programs. This could be through student teaching, shadowing opportunities, or even just a series of conversations. You'll find that many established music educators are eager to share their knowledge and experiences. They can provide nuanced insights that textbooks or general insights simply cannot. Additionally, this proactive approach to education helps build a network of contacts which can be invaluable as you transition from academic life to a professional career. The difference between passive and active learning is substantial. By taking the initiative to engage with experts, you're not just learning their methods. You are also absorbing soft skills such as communication and problem-solving in a real-world context. This holistic learning can significantly enhance your competence and confidence in the music education field. Don't just wait for knowledge to come to you. Pursue it aggressively. Seek out mentors, participate in workshops and seminars, and take on challenges that push you out of your comfort zone. Remember, every expert you admire was once a beginner. Your journey toward expertise begins with the courage to ask, learn, and grow. As aspiring music educators, undergraduate students will frequently find themselves facing a highly competitive marketplace, especially when it comes to providing private lessons. Offering music education on an individual basis can be an excellent way to enhance teaching skills and to build a professional portfolio that can lead to more established positions in schools or music conservatories. But how does one stand out among the crowd? Firstly, it might be necessary to consider volunteer work or to offer services pro bono for a limited period. While this might seem counterintuitive, the experience gained is invaluable. Offering free lessons serves a dual purpose. It provides much-needed experience, and it helps in creating a network of students and parents who can later become paying clients or recommend your services to others. Experience and connections can indeed outweigh immediate financial gain when you're just starting out. Secondly, persistence cannot be overstressed. The reality of the music education field is that opportunities are not always obvious or readily available. It may require a lot of outreach, contacting local schools, posting in community forums, offering workshops, or even performing in public spaces. Each interaction is a potential for a new student, a new connection, or even just a chance to practice the pitch for your teaching services. Remember that each no is a step closer to a yes. Gaining experience and building a reputation as a reliable, skilled teacher takes time. It takes an undying commitment to the craft and ongoing efforts in marketing oneself. It may involve embracing the digital evolution of music lessons through online platforms or creating a strong social media presence where prospective students can get a taste of your teaching philosophy and approach. Lastly, as you continue your journey, do not overlook the power of continued learning and professional development. Keep honing your skills, not just as a musician, but also as an educator, because teaching music requires a unique set of communication, motivational, and organizational skills. Hence, to all the undergrad music education students facing the competitive market, be bold, be creative, and be persistent. Your passion for music and dedication to teaching are the foundation upon which you can build a diverse and rewarding career in music education. Keep reaching out, make the most of every opportunity, and soon enough, you'll find that your efforts have molded a path to success in the bustling world of music lessons. Building a strong network can often be a cornerstone to achieving your professional objectives, especially when it comes to landing a desirable position in a specific field or geography. The adage, "It's not what you know, but who you know," holds a certain truth in the context of career progression and opportunity discovery. Taking this into account, if your goal is to secure a teaching position within a particular district, it's imperative to proactively forge connections within that area. Keep an eye out for workshops, lectures, or forums being held in the region or state. These gatherings are prime opportunities to meet and mingle with individuals who are influential or well-connected in the music education sphere. Participating in local music ensembles such as a community band, a church group, or even your area's chapter of the National Association for Music Education is an invaluable opportunity for musicians of all levels. Not only do these groups provide a platform for honing your craft, they also act as social hubs where you can meet like-minded individuals with a shared passion for music. By engaging with these local organizations, you can develop your musical skills through regular practice and performance. Community bands, for example, often hold weekly rehearsals and perform at various events, which can be a rewarding experience for those looking to play as part of an ensemble. Church musical groups can also provide a unique sense of camaraderie and the chance to explore a repertoire of spiritual and uplifting music. Moreover, joining a local chapter can open doors to professional development. These chapters frequently offer workshops, conferences, and networking events where you can connect with music educators and professionals. Such interactions can lead to mentorship opportunities and can be instrumental in advancing your career in music education. The value of integrating into these music communities extends beyond just musical growth. It fosters personal connections and a sense of belonging. By building rapport with fellow musicians and professionals, you form a supportive network that can offer guidance, encouragement, and collaboration opportunities. Whether you are an aspiring music student, a seasoned performer, or a music educator, becoming an active member of your local music community enriches both your personal and professional life. If you are considering reaching out to music educators or professional organizers with the intention of seeking advice or opportunities to contribute to your community schools, here's a more detailed strategy you might consider including in your email correspondence. Dear educators or organizers name, I hope this message finds you well. My name is your name, and I am deeply passionate about music education/organizational development, an area in which you have established yourself with great distinction. I have been following your work for some time, and I am truly inspired by the impact you have made in our community. As someone who is eager to follow a similar path and contribute meaningfully to our local schools, I am reaching out to gather some wisdom from experienced professionals like yourself. Your journey undoubtedly holds valuable lessons that could illuminate my own, and I would be incredibly grateful for the chance to learn from your experiences. Would you be open to a brief interview where I could ask you about the challenges and triumphs you've encountered in your work? Alternatively, if an interview is not feasible, I would greatly appreciate any advice or tips you might be able to share for someone at the beginning of this journey. Any insights you offer could significantly shape my approach and enable me to make a more substantial impact on the lives of our students. Thank you for considering my request. I understand how valuable your time is, and I assure you that any guidance you provide would be received with the utmost appreciation. Warm regards. Your name. Your contact information. This extended text helps build a more personalized connection with the recipient and demonstrates genuine enthusiasm, which may increase the likelihood of a positive response. In today's digitally interconnected world, The majority of school districts have established a robust social media presence as a means to share information, celebrate achievements, and engage with the community. By following their accounts, you can stay informed about the latest happenings, current events, educational initiatives, and notable accolades that highlight the accomplishments of students and staff. Engaging with the school district's social media content is more than a passive activity. It can significantly raise your visibility among the school community. When you like, comment, and share their posts, you are helping to amplify the district's voice. This engagement can provide valuable feedback to the schools and foster a sense of community. Additionally, it can also open opportunities for parents, businesses, and other stakeholders to participate in school activities, fundraisers, and volunteer opportunities. Moreover, by staying active and informed through these platforms, you are in a better position to contribute to discussions about school policies and have a more substantial impact on educational matters. Social media is a powerful tool for advocacy and collaboration that can ultimately result in improvements to the educational environment. Your active participation also models positive digital citizenship and responsible social media use for students who may look to adults as examples of how to interact online. Keeping your finger on the pulse of your school district through social media is a smart and efficient way to be involved and up to date with your local educational community's pulse. Demonstrating an active engagement with your local school district's initiatives and philosophical approach to education not only highlights one's committed interest, but serves a dual purpose. This involvement is a strategic step in familiarizing oneself with key figures who influence educational policy and direction within the district. Acting on this understanding provides a platform for ongoing dialogue with those at the helm of educational decision-making and potentially opens avenues for contributing one's perspectives and suggestions to the communal educational discourse. It's essential to recognize that these relationships and insights can cultivate a collaborative environment where stakeholders work in concert toward the betterment of the district's educational landscape. If you're qualified, substitute teaching in your desired district is an excellent way to demonstrate your teaching abilities and commitment, and to familiarize yourself with the school's culture and curriculum. Building your network within the target district is a dynamic and ongoing process. Be genuine in your interactions, consistently demonstrate your value and interest in the community, and you will enhance not only your chances of securing a teaching role, but also your potential for a satisfying long-term career in the community you aspire to serve. Never stop learning. This mantra is essential for both personal growth and professional advancement. Actively participating in workshops, engaging in new and advanced courses, and actively seeking out various professional development opportunities can prove to be incredibly beneficial. Attending workshops provides you with hands-on experience and practical skills that are often designed to be directly applicable to real-world scenarios. Workshops can also be a fertile ground for meeting like-minded professionals, which can lead to fruitful collaborations and the expansion of your professional network. Enrolling in courses, especially those that are relevant to your field, keeps your knowledge base up to date. In today's fast-paced world, where new technologies and methodologies are constantly emerging, staying current is perhaps more important than ever. It also demonstrates a commitment to your profession and a dedication to maintaining a high standard of competency in your work. Seeking out professional development opportunities can also take many forms beyond formal education. This can include joining professional associations, attending industry conferences, and obtaining certifications. These activities can not only enhance your resume, but can also provide a platform for you to share your knowledge and expertise with others in your field. Moreover, such endeavors often provide exposure to a breadth of ideas and innovations that can inspire and influence your own work. The connections made through these channels are invaluable. They can lead to mentorship opportunities, partnerships, and even new career opportunities. Remember, the benefits of continuous learning go beyond merely acquiring new skills or brushing up on existing ones. It's about cultivating a mindset of growth and openness to new experiences. So take that course, join that workshop, and network at that conference. Your future self will thank you for it. Collaboration stands as a beacon of collective learning and growth, illuminating the path to shared knowledge and enhanced understanding. As music educators, embracing the spirit of cooperation allows for leveraging the strength of diverse experiences, pedagogies, and insights. By working on projects together, There's a unique opportunity to scaffold upon one another's expertise to create an educational tapestry richer than what one could weave alone. Sharing ideas in a collaborative environment transforms the educational landscape into a dynamic forge where innovation is the norm, not the exception. Through this exchange, music educators can challenge their preconceptions, expand upon their methodologies, and refine their practices in the reflective mirror of their peers' perspectives. In doing so, one doesn't merely learn from others. There is a simultaneous process of teaching, as every contribution helps to shape the collective understanding. Moreover, the act of forging alliances with fellow music educators fosters a sense of community in which support and encouragement are abundantly available. In the pursuit of teaching excellence, this camaraderie becomes the cornerstone of a nurturing and progressive educational culture. By building bridges across different areas of expertise, the educational process transcends the boundaries of the classroom, making learning an infinite, collaborative quest. To embark on any significant journey, especially one of personal or professional development, finding a mentor can be a transformative move. A good mentor offers more than just advice. They provide guidance, emotional support, and can open doors to opportunities that might otherwise remain out of reach. Such a person often comes with a wide network of connections, insights into field, and a wealth of personal experiences from which you can learn. They can challenge your thinking, push you out of your comfort zone, and celebrate your successes with you. A mentor-mentee relationship can take various forms, ranging from casual coffee meetings to structured coaching sessions during live rehearsals. The key is to find someone whose experience aligns with your aspirations and who exhibits the qualities you respect and wish to emulate. Selecting the right mentor requires careful consideration. Seek out individuals who show genuine interest in your growth and who communicate effectively. It is essential to approach this relationship with clear goals and expectations, and be prepared for an open and ongoing exchange. Above all, a sustainable mentorship is rooted in mutual respect and a shared commitment to learning. Ultimately, a good mentor does not just provide a roadmap for your journey, they accompany you, offering wisdom and support as you navigate the twists and turns of your personal and professional pathways. In conclusion, cultivating relationships within the music community is not just beneficial, it's often essential to truly thrive in the music education field. By forging connections with peers, mentors, and industry professionals, you grant yourself a remarkable edge in both learning and opportunity. Such networks are invaluable as they open doors to collaborative projects, insider knowledge, and unique experiences that you might not encounter in isolation. Moreover, each new acquaintance brings a different perspective, potentially influencing your own understanding and appreciation of music. They might introduce you to new genres, different instruments, or innovative techniques that could invigorate your musical journey. The shared passion among musicians can lead to lifelong friendships, fostering a sense of belonging and support that is as emotionally rewarding as it is professionally advantageous. It is in these interactions that you learn not only about music, but also about the diverse ways it can be interpreted and valued. By actively participating in master classes, attending concerts, and engaging in online music communities, you immerse yourself in a vibrant cultural exchange that continually nourishes your growth as both an individual and an artist. Thus, begin to broaden your social horizon now. Immerse yourself in the enriching tapestry of the music world. Remember, every new friend represents a potential collaborator, a doorway to new insights, and an opportunity for mutual growth. Embrace the communal spirit of music and allow it to amplify the joy and depth of your learning experience. Thanks for watching the Music Educator channel. If you like this, please hit the like button, follow us, and write a comment below. We're excited to see what you think.